Autism, a true curse on childhood. Mental growth, expression of thoughts, emotions, and behavior patterns. These are the capabilities affected by this dangerous disorder. Let us discuss autism in children. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. It is the happiest time for every parent if the child flourishes day by day. But if the same child has problems in growth, it is an absolute mental distress for the parents. Exactly, autism is of the same kind. So what is this autism? Autism is a disorder in neurodevelopment. In fact, it is a group of disorders named as Autism Spectrum Disorder, ASD. These disorder characteristics include several challenges. Repetitive behaviors, speech chaos, non-verbal communication, and social skills are the most common. But the symptoms of autism looks very peculiar. These children are not able to make eye contact with other people. They are not able to respond to people even after calling with their name many times. They are not able to interact with other people or children and wants to be lonely for most of the time. Not able to have proper speaking or complete the words. They are not able to express their problems or wishes. Peculiar behavior patterns including hand flapping and obsession towards objects. Having echolalia. Echolalia is the process of repeating the same thing having already specified. But every child may not have the same symptoms. Identifying the problem in the earlier stage will help to cure autism. When we consider the evolution of autism, autism was most seen in children from Western countries and rich families. This was in earlier days. Now this has significant increase in children from a country like India. Also, the prevalence of autism has got a significant increase across the globe. Since 1980, autism status has been changing. By the end of 2007, the autism status has reached to 1 or 2 children out of every 1,000 children. By the end of 2017, the autism status was 1 child out of every 100 children. As of now, it has got an increase of up to 1 child out of every 54 children. It is imperative that this is a lifetime disability, but yet, if identified at the right time, the child can have the change of getting rid of autism. Generally, autism recognition in a child can happen at the age of 18 months. Till then, the growth in the child will be normal like other children. Parents can find the regressive symptoms at that age. Doctors provide treatment based on the autism rating scale. This is for an identified autism child. The more the scale indicates, the more the problem intensity. The causes for this autism do not have a single reason, but it is a strong belief that this happens because of some reason. The reasons include abnormalities in the structure of the brain and its functionality. Differences occur in brain shape and brain structure in children suffering from autism. This is when compared with normal neurotypical children. Researchers could not find the exact causes for autism. They are considering theories about genetics, heredity, and medical problems. Disorders are available including autism or autism-related issues in many families. Researchers assumed that the disorder is gene theory dependent based on this. Also, researchers are looking for disorders of gene indications. These are for autism children as a heredity. With this, researchers found that some children have the chance of autism getting attacked. But the researchers have not identified a single trigger that handles autism. Also, researchers are investigating that unstable genes may interact with brain development. This again results in autism in children. Also, researchers are investigating the causes of autism as several other problems. These include pregnancy or delivery period, viral infections, imbalance in metabolism, premature delivery, less weight of the infant, exposure to chemicals. Depending on the characteristics and intensity, the autism types are defined. They are autistic disorder, pervasive development disorder, not otherwise specified, PDD-NOS. Asperger's syndrome, childhood disintegrative disorder. Autistic disorder has got less intensity of autism. The other three types of disorders have got more intensity. In these types of disorders, the children experience various problems. These include not having the expression of thoughts, unorganized behavior patterns, unable to speak even one or two words, suffering from problems like fits, flapping of hands, etc. In 2013, DSM, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, has released its recent edition DSM-5 for autism types. DSM-5 identifies ASD specifications into 5 subtypes. They are having intellectual impairment or without having an intellectual impairment, having language impairment or without having language impairment, based on environmental factors or genetic conditions, other factors including mental or neurodevelopmental disorders, inability to move in normal because of behavioral disorders like catatonia. Yet, if the earlier specifiers test a child with a type of autism, no need to re-evaluate with the DSM-5 specifiers. Autism cure mainly depends on the early treatment. The treatment types include speech therapy, language stimulation, behavior modification, psychotherapy, sensory integration therapy. The autism defect types and intensity of characteristics are different from the children. There will be no proper reason for autism. Hence, the disorder characteristics are the base for the autism treatment. Also, autism rating scale decides the treatment. IQ tests are also performed if required. Then, the disorder status identifies autism in 3 categories. These are initial, medium and advanced. Doctors prescribe medicines for children having completed 3 years of age. This is for having the characteristics of fits, brain disorders and arousal behavior. Doctors give medicines for children to reduce their hyperactiveness. This is for being hyperactive and a behavior of need for sameness. Doctors prescribe antidepressant medicines for children. This is for having repeated actions or repeated body movements. Doctors prescribe GCCF. This GFCF diet is a gluten-free and casein-free diet. Above all, the important treatment for autism is to rectify their psychological characteristics. Also, parents should be a part of the treatment process. They should not expect the child much out of the disorder using the treatment. At the bottom line, we cannot completely end autism in children. We can avoid most of the bad implications of the dangerous disorder. This is possible when identified at the right time and with proper treatment. It is important that such type of children should gain the potential to do their own work. This makes them independent of others from regular works. Also, it is imperative that they should have a good education so that they can lead a life on their own. Finally, parents should play a prominent role in understanding and caring for the children. Also, they should provide the utmost love and affection for the children. Parents should develop the mental ability to accept the child as is. You can find more information about the topic in our website naturocosmos.com. I am providing the URL in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel so that it boosts interest for me to research more on the topics. Also, click on the bell icon so that you will get immediate notifications after my video uploads. Don't forget to share your views, thoughts, comments, perspectives in the comment section below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.